I'm Hunter,
And I'm Shane,
and
and
this
this
is
is
Trumpet
Trumpet
Survivor.
Survivor.
This episode, we will be featuring a restatement of the cast, a challenge, and a tribal council.
To reintroduce our characters, we'll conduct interviews with them where we will provide bios for each of them, and it will be as if they're on actual reality TV.
For the challenge, it will be a montage of the contestants playing different exercises but struggling to play them.
After the challenge, we'll jump straight into the Tribal Council, where we will eliminate the next of our contestants.
As for our audio, it will be mostly recorded on my H2N Zoom microphone.
The guitar, however, I will be recording using a direct in on my audio interface in my apartment to limit the noise and leave it raw for editing. I will also be in charge of getting the MIDI tracks ready for the percussion.
Our recording and editing dates are Monday the 21st and Tuesday the 22nd.
The first of our locations is going to be the recital hall in the snow building. Here is where the challenge will take place. The recorded Zoom meeting was a comedic choice. We thought it would be fun to have the tribal council over a Zoom meeting and thus be able to do a few jokes there. The practice rooms in the snow building will be our final location. This is where the one-on-one interviews will be conducted and the bios will be given.
As for who will be in the video, our special guests will be various members of the Trumpet Studio. And as for the audio, the music will be composed, arranged, and performed by myself and Shane.
Thanks
Thanks
for
for
watching.
watching!